Good morning, children. Today in this video I am going to teach you fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. There are different types of fractions. Proper fraction, in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Improper fraction, in which numerator is greater than denominator. Unit fraction, in which numerator is 1. Like fraction, two fractions or more than two fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, two or more fractions which do not have same denominator are called unlike fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of two numbers, a whole number and a proper fraction. Children, in this video I am going to teach you new type of sums given in different exercises. Look at the board. First question is, write two equivalent fractions. Children, how can we write two equivalent fraction for 3 by 7? To write equivalent fraction, the given fraction should be multiplied by a common number. Say we multiply numerator and denominator of the given fraction by 2. We will get 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. So this is 6 by 14, which is equivalent to 3 by 7. To find another fraction, we will multiply 3 by 7 by another number. Say we multiply it by 3. We will get 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. The fraction 9 by 21 is equivalent to 3 by 7. So we have two equivalent fractions, 6 by 14 and 9 by 21, which are equivalent to 3 by 7. Now the second question is, arrange in ascending order. Children, 5 fractions are given here and they all are like fractions. To arrange them in ascending order, we will compare the numerators. The fraction having the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Look at these fractions. This is the smallest fraction, so we will write it here, 2 by 43. Now second smallest numerator is 6, so after this we will write 6 by 43. Then comes 10 by 43. Then comes 15 by 43. And last is 29 by 43. So to arrange given fractions in ascending order, compare the numerators and write them in increasing order. Same way we can arrange given fractions in descending order also. Third question is, reduce to the lowest term. Children, look here, let us learn how to reduce a given fraction. It is 36 by 42. Numerator 36 and denominator 42 both are even numbers and they can be divided by 2, 3 and 6. Children, we can divide 36 by 42 by any one of these numbers. If we divide by 2, we will have to divide to reduce it to its lowest term in 2 times or 3 times. But if we divide by 6, we can reduce it to the lowest term just in 1 time. So 36 by 42 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36 and 6 7 are 42. This is the answer. Fourth question is, convert to improper fraction. To convert, it should be to convert to mixed fraction. Children, to convert an improper fraction to mixed fraction, numerator will be divided by denominator. So numerator is 67, we will divide it by 9. 9 7s are 63, subtract 7 minus 3 4. Now quotient is 7. 7 will be the whole number. Remainder will be the numerator and divisor 9 will be the denominator. This is the answer. So if improper fraction 67 by 9 is converted into mixed fraction, we will get 7 whole 4 by 9. Again we can convert it into improper fraction and we will get 67 by 9. Children, question number 5 is solve 1 by 7 of 49. 1 by 7 of 49 means 49 we have to divide by 7. So let us divide. 49 is divisible by 7. 7 1 is 7 and 7 7 is 49. We are getting 7 by 1. This one we can drop out and only the numerator we will write. So answer comes 7. Children, question number 6 is subtract 25 by 35 from 30 by 35. Children, to solve this, look at the fractions. This fraction and this fraction both are like fractions because their denominators are same. So if fractions are like, to subtract them we will simply subtract the numerators. This is 30 and this is 25. 25 we will subtract from 30 and common denominator we will write below. So we are getting here 30 minus 25 will give 5 by 35. Now we have got a single fraction. Look at the numerator and denominator. If they can be divided, you have to divide them, or you have to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. 5 and 35, these two numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5 and 5 7s are 35. So answer comes 1 by 7. This is the answer. The last one is add. Look at the fractions. They are not like, they are unlike because their denominators are not same, they are different. To add such fractions, first we will convert them into like fractions. For that we will have to find LCM of the denominators. 8, 4 and 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12, again by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6. So LCM comes 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 24. Now each of these fractions will be converted into like fractions with denominator 24. Look here, 1 by 8 will be multiplied by 3. So numerator will be also multiplied by 3. 8 into 3 will give you 24. Second fraction is 3 by 4. 4 will be multiplied by 6 to get 24. Now 3 will be also multiplied by 6. 5 by 12. 12 will be multiplied by 2 to get 24. Therefore 5 will be also multiplied by 2. We are getting 3 by 24 plus 18 by 24 plus 10 by 24. Now they are like fractions because their denominators are same. Now down below you write the common denominator 24 and add up the numerators. 10 plus 18, 28 plus 3, 31. 31 by 24, change them into mixed fraction. Divide 31 by 24. 31 by 24, one is 24, subtract 7. So answer will be 1 whole 7 by 24. This is the answer. Children, I hope the sums which I have explained you today, you must have understood. Pick out few sums from the exercise and solve them in your copy. Thank you, children.